Hey crafters, I have a really cute project for you today. I'm going to take this wooden cutout of a pumpkin, which I bought from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint the sides orange. I'm not painting the center because I'm going to be putting something in the center, so I do not need to paint that. Once the sides are painted, I'm going to flip it over and paint the whole back of it orange. You don't have to paint the back. You can leave it unpainted if you wanted to. Next, I'm going to paint the stem, just the front of the stem and the sides brown. Once my paint has dried, I'm going to put a layer of Mod Podge down, and I ripped off pieces of an image that I printed from the computer. And as I'm laying those pieces down, I'm also putting a layer of Mod Podge over the piece. And I'm just creating a bit of a collage. I have a video where I did this in more detail, and I'll link it above. Next, I'm going to take a small pair of scissors and just cut off the excess paper. To clean up the edges, I'm taking a little bit of antique wax and hitting the sides, and then I'll eventually dab it over the paper as well, just to blend it all in. Next, I'm going to grab a piece of wood that I also bought from the Dollar Tree, sprayed some water on it, taking some antique wax and painting it over, and then wiping it back with a baby wipe to give it a stained look. And I'm going to repeat that process to all four sides. You could use Mod Podge to put over the paper here, but I wanted to give it a different look, so I'm going to use UV resin. I am spreading the resin with a silicone brush, making sure I get to the edges and that it's all even. Next, I'm going to use a heat gun and make sure I get all of the bubbles out of the resin before I cure it. Once the bubbles are out, I take my UV light, and I think it's about 90 seconds and it's cured. Now I'm going to take a Jenga block and glue it to the back of my pumpkin. Once the paint on my wood block is dry, I'm going to glue the pumpkin to the top of my wood block. Now, in this video, I placed it in the center, but before the glue dried, I decided to move it off to the side, as you can see. Then I'm going to take some hot glue and moss and put it in front of the pumpkin. I'm sorry for the camera angle here. Then I'm going to glue down a candle ring and place a timered candle on top. This turned out so cute and is a unique piece of fall decor. I hope you give it a try. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to give it a try or what you would make. And again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.